Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pork Achar. We will explore a straightforward and delicious method for preparing this traditional Nepali dish. This recipe is perfect for anyone looking to enjoy a flavorful pickle without extensive effort. We will guide you through each step, ensuring a delightful culinary experience. Get ready to create a truly authentic and satisfying pork achar. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need 1 kilogram of pork trotters, thoroughly cleaned and cut into manageable pieces. For the aromatic base, prepare 2 large onions, 3 ripe tomatoes, and 5 green chilies. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger garlic paste and a half cup of mustard oil. Finally, have 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, and salt ready. Now let's cook the pork trotters. Place the cleaned trotters in a pot with enough water to cover them. Add a pinch of salt and a half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer until the pork is very tender, which typically takes about 45 minutes to 1 hour. Once cooked, drain all the water and let the trotters cool completely. For the final step, let's assemble our delicious achar. Heat 2 tablespoons of mustard oil in a pan and sauté the sliced onions until they turn golden brown. Next, add the ginger garlic paste, chopped tomatoes, and green chilies, cooking until the tomatoes soften. Stir in the remaining cumin powder and the cooled, boiled pork trotters. Mix everything thoroughly to combine the flavors. Your flavorful pork achar is now ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.